Happy Easter, everyone. Happy Resurrection Sunday. We are headed out the door, getting ready to go to church. Say hi, Sally. Say hi. Sally. Sally. Sally.
I had it both days.
What a special day that we get to celebrate life today. Celebrate the Son, look at what He's done. Shout Jesus from the mountain.
That are going to be with Christ are those who are going to live forevermore.
They get bags of candy. You have to come up to the tables to get bags of candy.
We just took the meanest after service nap, and now we are headed to my parents' house for a little dinner.
As long as let me see that boy.
With Uncle Bray Bray. Look what Nana got you. Your Easter basket. You like it?
Oh.
Oh, good job.
Good job.
Oh,